Hello and welcome to CAD Drive. In today's video, we are going to see how to copy feature from one body to another body. So here I have two bodies. This is my body 1 and this is my body 2. I want to copy these four fillets and this one hole from one body to another body, this body 2. So how can I have to do? In this video, I will teach you how to do. So first go to menu, select edit, select copy features. So copy features dialog box has been opened here. We have to select the features we want to copy from one body to another body. So here I want to copy this 10 mm dia hole and another is each plane 5. For multiple selection, please make sure you press Ctrl key from your keyboard and now click on OK. So both features has been copied with our clipboard, and now go to menu, go to edit, go and select paste, and you can see now the paste feature dialog box has been opened here and another window which will be useful for our purpose for defining faces and edges. How? Let's see. First, NX is first here. NX is telling us select the edge set for edge plane 5. So this will be for edges which I want to give radius, and second is for 10 mm dia hole. So here window showing me the face I want to select. So this will be my face, normal face. This will be my coordinate axis. This will be my normal face. This will be my target body. And select edges that determine coordinate system. So here this, suppose I want this as a coordinate, and you can click on show result and you can see according to my coordinate edge the hole will be located at same place. If I undo result and select this and show result, and you can see now the hole is shifted to this edges. So just like that you can select the different edges according to your requirement. Okay, now click on OK and you can see now the features has been copied here, and you can see also see in this design tree. Suppose if you want to edit that features, you can also edit that feature. So this whole, so this edges has a radius of 20. I want to make a 25. Click on OK. And you can see now the edges has been, each plate has been modified without any link or without any problem. Let's modify this hole also. This, let's say this hole will be 12 mm. Click on OK and you can see now without interruption the hole has been modified. So that's all from my side. Make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this and NX tips. Thank you.